Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will build a Corsair RGB system. Let's check the Corsair ICUE. Using ICUE, you can control your whole PC's RGB lighting according to your choice. Here were some preset modes: Rainbow Wave, Yellow, Rain, Visor. Some more modes also including Gaming mode and Movie mode. You can also customize the effect using ICUE. But the problem was that ICUE will not work without a Corsair lighting controller. Let's check the Corsair Node Pro price on the official Corsair page. 64.99 United States dollars. Let's check the Indian market price. These products are costly. Don't worry, I will build this with Arduino only. So in this video, I will show how to build Corsair Node Pro. Don't skip the video, watch the full and follow these 5 steps. Open Chrome or any browser, search Corsair Lighting Protocol. Click on the Legion 2 Corsair Lighting Protocol. Click on the code and download the zip file. Corsair Lighting Protocol support Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Pro Micro. It also supports the Arduino Uno and Mega, but this requires the Hoodloader 2 bootloader. It is not compatible with Arduino Nano or ESP, so click on this other guide. First I will use Arduino Uno, then I will use Arduino Pro Micro for compact size. We have to set up the bootloader on Arduino. Click on the Hoodloader 2 wikis. Here you have 3 options. The first option is to burn using a single Arduino. Second option is to burn with another Arduino. And third is to burn with an ISP. Choose any one of these methods. All methods are the same process, just need to upload the installation sketch on Arduino. I have more than one Arduino but don't have a 100 NF capacitor, so I am using the method B. Click on the installation sketch to download the code. Refresh the page again. This link is not working, return back to method A and try to download the code again. Open Arduino, then extract the downloaded zip file one by one. Now we need to upload installation sketch. Click on File, then Open, then locate the Hoodloader 2 file and find the installation sketch. Now take the 2 Arduino and separate it, or mark it. I am using one Arduino without case and one with transparent case. Connect one Arduino with PC. Select the board and port. Then hit the upload button. After successfully uploading the code, disconnect the Arduino. And connect both the Arduino according to the diagram. Then connect again the same Arduino which was previously used, and open the serial monitor. Select baud rate 115,200. Wait 10 seconds, program will start soon. Done. Program mode is off. This means program was installed successfully. Now disconnect the Arduino from PC. Now connect the second Arduino. After connecting the Arduino, we need to check that the program was successfully installed or not. To check the installation, open Control Panel, select Device and Printer. Double click on Arduino Uno. Yes, it was showing Hoodloader 2. Now we need to reset the Arduino. Short this 2 pin once to reset 16U2, twice to enter bootloader mode manually. Install the Corsair Lighting Protocol library and Fast LED library. Now we need to install CLP board. Click on CLP board installation guide. Copy this address. Paste the address on Arduino preference, additional board URL. Press OK. Now select Tools, Board Manager, then search Corsair Lighting Protocol. Install it. Verify the board is installed correctly or not. Now we need to install the hood loader board. Copy this address. Open Preference. Additional board URL. Put comma and paste the address. Then select Tools, Board Manager. Search Hood Loader 2. Install the Hood Loader 2. Verify the installation. If Corsair ICUE was installed, make sure that it was not running background. If running, close it from taskbar. We need to upload to Sketch on single Arduino. First click on File in Arduino software. Then click on Open. Then select the downloaded Corsair Lighting Protocol file. Examples, then open Hood Loader 2 Uno Mega Controller Sketch. Select Board, Hood Loader 2 Uno, and select the COM port of your Arduino. Upload the sketch. Again open the downloader Corsair Lighting Protocol file. Then open Hood Loader 2 CLP Bridge Sketch. This is the last sketch. Here look carefully. First, you need to click on Tools, then Board and select Corsair Lighting Protocol. Then select CLP Hood Loader 216U. Again select Tools, Device. Select the device as a Lighting Node Pro. Then, select COM port and upload the sketch. Done. Arduino programming was done. Close everything and install Corsair ICUE. Open ICUE. Yes, Corsair Node Pro was automatically detected. Set up the device and lighting channel. To check the device, I have connected one addressable LED strip. Node Pro has 2 channel. Each channel can support 6 LED strips, with 6 different effect, if connect in series, total 12 strip with 12 different effect. Connect the Arduino according to the circuit diagram. Connect the cabinet fan LED header with the Arduino. Open the Corsair IC UE software and set up the device and choose LED effect according to your choice. I am also controlling the RGB cable sleeve with this software. Don't forget to check out the video how I built this RGB cable sleeve, link given in the description. You can also control LED brightness and LED effect speed. I am not satisfied with this Node Pro because I want to control each fan according to my choice. I want to control LED effect like this. So in my next video I will modify the sketch. Also I will use Arduino Pro Micro because Arduino Uno can't fit into cabinet because of its size.